So she has 7 classes total. She gets $10 for each 90, but 3 of her classes are college credits, so I'm going to give her 10 extra for those. So we have to save about $100 per semester. But she does have her own job, and I cover anything she needs. But, you know, I think you should get rewarded for good grades. Exceptional grades, I think. I don't know. Some people don't agree, but it definitely has worked. When I started doing that, her grades definitely went up. So if it works, I'm all for it. Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing. On Payday, I take the cash out of the bank that I've already determined is going to go to my cash budget, and I fill it in my wallet here, and also I put it towards savings categories. The purpose of doing it here, putting it in my wallet, is so that I can easily see when my budget ends. For instance, I put $70 for dining out for the next 2 weeks. Once I'm done with that $70, I can't spend any more money on dining out specifically. At the end of the week, sometimes I have more money left in the envelopes, and I will either roll them over to the next paycheck, maybe to cover something next week that I maybe wouldn't have been able to afford, or I can save the extra money and put it towards another savings category. So what I'm going to do today is I have the money that I got from the bank. I believe I'm missing $20, so let's just see what we have, and then I'll figure out the rest later. So we have 50, 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 40, 60, so we have 260, 270, 80, 90, 300, 310, 20, 30, it's 330. 335, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 370, 371, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. We have 395. So I won it for $15. Yeah, we're missing $20. Not sure how I forgot to get that from the bank or if I lost it on the way home, but I'll find it and we'll put it in later. So let's get started with the wallet. I'm going to try to do better with expense tracking this week. So dining out, I already know dining out needs $70. So 50, 70 goes into dining out. Nothing in there now. Mom spends, this is my spending for the 2 weeks. I'm getting $50. $20, $40, $45, $50. Okay, kids spending is getting just a $20 bill. Miscellaneous is getting $25 for the next 2 weeks. Beauty has some money in there already, and we're going to put $10 more. I explained in my budget that I plan to get my hair braided for vacation, but I'm just very torn about whether I just want to do it myself and save some money. But I do it myself all the time. It's been such a long time since I've actually, treated myself to it. But so many other things I'm saving for. Maybe that's not important. 20, 40, 55. And it is from birthday money that I already saved, so maybe I will. I don't know. That's it for the wallet for now. Pet and Health went back to the bank, so that's going to be held in Ally now. So now we can move to our Always Fund. This is my favorite one. All right, auto emergency. This is mostly in the bank. I'm not putting anything in there in cash right now. Home emergency. I'm surprised I didn't put anything for home emergency. That feels wrong. Maybe that's what I'm missing. No, I indeed did not put anything aside for home emergency. So I'm going to count what's left and we'll change some things around because this I want to finish. We have 50, 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 190, 200, 10, 15. We have 215. The goal is $250. We need $35 in here. Let's see. I'll take $30 that we were going to put in home maintenance. Let's take $30 that we were going to put in home maintenance and $5 that we were going to put in extra utility. So I'll just switch this around. We're going to make home maintenance, home emergency. We're going to change this to 25 and we're going to make this 35. I'm shocked that I missed that in my budget. I will actually update this. So the amount is still going to be the same, but now we get to move this to its original home since it's done. I love when I'm done saving for a long-term sinking fund, because now I can put something else in its place. And I think I got a little ahead of myself. I was like planning on finishing this, and maybe I got a paycheck ahead and thought I was done already. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm glad this is done now. All right, that's done. Extra utility, let's put some money in there. There's that. Here it is. My extra utilities is going to get 25 now. I'm sure this is going to mess up my denominations, but that's fine. So it now has 120.45. And I'll update these off camera, these trackers. Christmas is getting $50. Let's not forget about that. So Christmas in cash now has 50, 100, 120, 40, 60, 70, 170. And college travel. That's my daughter's envelope. That's going to get $30. This is to do any school visits that we need to do. Long way to go in this, because I'm not sure exactly where she wants to go. Every place she wants to go is within 6 hours as far as now. So we'll see, because she's only a junior. She just started her junior year, so that could definitely change. But it now has in cash 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 20, 120. This is definitely one of the high school ones that I am late thinking about. I just started thinking about this a few months ago. What else? Family Fun is getting $20, which this might be the one that I forgot. So I'm actually going to put it to the side because I know we're missing $20. So I'm just going to put that to the side for now so that I can go to the bank and grab that $20 bill. That's it for in here. Alright, so my binder is here. My binder's going to get some money. See what I'm going to put in here. My miscellaneous isn't giving me anything. Self-care is going to get $15. Alright, so the cash, it now has 10, 20, 35. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. I said I was going to treat myself to a massage, but we'll see. What else is going to be in here? My clothes is it's going to get $10. Alright, and let's do our home and family binder. I know gift is going to get $10. Gift is going to get 10. Currently has 10, 20, 35. Okay, home decor, here it is going to get $10 as well. Now it's 20, 40, 50 in cash. that's it in here. Alright, my daughter's binder. She's gonna get, let's see. Oh, her clothing is gonna get $10. We used a lot of this for school shopping, so she's gonna need that again for next school year. And I was just talking to her about it, and I think, or I know, next year, next summer will be the last time I do school shopping. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It does. When people tell you, when you have little kids and people tell you, it goes by so fast. It really does. I mean, I cannot believe we're here. I cannot believe it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now this is for her grades. If she gets 90 or above, she gets $10 to $20 per class. And I need to write this out because I keep forgetting how much I need to save in here. So she has 7 classes total. She gets $10 for each 90, but 3 of her classes are college credits, so I'm going to give her 10 extra for those. So we have to save about $100 per semester. But she does have her own job, and I cover anything she needs. But, you know, I think you should get rewarded for good grades. Exceptional grades, I think. I don't know. Some people don't agree, but it definitely has worked. When I started doing that, her grades definitely went up. So if it works, I'm all for it. What else? I think that's it. What else do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have $10 left. Oh, this goes to the 100 envelope challenge. Yay! Alright, and we've got $7 in here, I believe. We do. So I had $7 left over from my cash wallet. So we now have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. And the $17 one should be available because I hadn't crossed it off yet, I don't think. It is. Alright. I'm going to try my hardest to put something in here as much as possible. I probably should have used smaller bills. That's the point with these, but this is what I have, so we're here already. It's probably going to rip it. Is it? No! Look at that! Alright, 17 is done. And we can mark that off of our challenge. $17. Bye-bye. Perfect. So we've got a few of the smaller ones. I think I have an idea about how I'm going to do the bigger ones, but we'll just see how the next couple months go. But we're done. And besides me getting that $20 bill that I need to get for family fun, which I can get that from the ATM, which it'll be fine. My question of the day is, what is the first thing that you do on payday? Do you go to the grocery store? Do you put some money aside for savings? What's the first thing you physically do on payday? Mine, you guys already know, is to go to the bank and pick up my cash so I can spend it throughout the week. I feel like I get thrown off when I don't do that, and it's going to be really hard for me on vacation. I actually get paid while I'm on vacation, so while I'm on the cruise. So maybe I'll give you guys a little cruise tour, or I don't know. Maybe I'll do it there. We'll see. All right. But I want to thank you so much for watching any of the videos at any time, even if you're not interested in the whole series. I love that some of you guys really like the pre-payday preps, so the bi-weekly budgets. Some of you like the cash stuffings. Some of you are here for every single video, and You're my favorite people. I always want you to remember it is about progression. It's not about perfection. Thank you for watching and happy saving. Bye.